With today's video, we are going to be doing something different. We are going to be trying the watercolor method on a 1B613 wig brought to you by the company Wiggins Hair. Of course, you guys know I'll make sure to leave all of the details down below. So for today's video, we are going to use this color by Adore. We're using two colors. This is the Purple Rage and the number 116. And then we are also going to use the African Violet in the color 113. Now, I was thinking about doing like a Cajun color, but I had my daughter helping me and she decided to do this color here. So this unit is a lace frontal unit. It comes with two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And you also get a very good amount of parting space with this unit. Also get a pre-plucked hairline, and it also comes with bleach knots along the hairline, and you do get baby hair. So I love that the front of the unit, well, the top of the unit, it's like a brownish color, and then it fades into like a black and then into the blonde, but we don't have to worry about that because we are going to color this. So we ended up putting in the African Violet first, and this is our first time doing this, so I think we made a couple of mistakes, but it still all worked out. We ended up heating up the water on the stove in this steel pot. You want to make sure that your water is hot or at least warm so that the color can transfer. And then I'll be going in and adding the other color on top because I wanted to do like a darkish purple, but it will all start to come together. Now, the only thing I would do different is to transfer the water to a plastic container. But like I said, this is our first time doing this, so you don't know until you try it out for yourself, and then you make a couple of mistakes and then you can figure it all out. We also got a towel, like an old towel we didn't care about because I did not want to mess up my countertops with that dye. And then I put the pot on top of the towel, and then we are going to start placing the hair into the water. As you guys can see, with us dipping the hair in the first try, it was coming off more of a lavender color. Like some of the hair was coating a darker purple, especially the ends, but it was coming off more lavender, so we ended up putting more hair color into the pot. I wasn't sure exactly how quick this was going to take. And this hair is very thick. Like, I'm going to stress that a lot in this video. It is 200% in density, and at first I was a little bit hesitant about getting a 613 wig because I have seen 613 wigs to where it is kind of thin in the back. No ma'am, this hair ain't thin at all. Wiggins hair did not play when it came to the density on this unit. So we're just adding more color, and we just ended up deciding to add all of it in. Because of how thick this hair is, I was not expecting this hair to be this thick. We honestly could have went and bought another bottle or purchased 3 bottles for this amount of hair, because we wanted to make sure we coated the insides of the hair too. Like, you don't want to just get the ends and the top of the hair and the back of the hair. When you have this amount of hair, you want to make sure that you get in between those strands also. So we made sure to really add that color in and kind of spread the hair apart. And then what we are going to do is kind of push the lace down into it just so everything can get coated, and then we're going to leave the hair in there for about 15 minutes. Even with pushing the whole wig into the water, the lace did not get any dye on it. I'm still baffled at how that happens, but I had no issues with any of the lace turning purple. This hair color is bomb. Like, I don't really wear color a lot, so it was fun to do this as a project. The lace on this unit is also very nice, as you guys will see after it dries, and you see how thick it is. Like, she's wringing the water out. So this is the outcome of the unit. I did let it air dry, and I wanted to add some wand curls into it. Like, look at that. The ends of the hair are a darker purple, and then the top of the hair is like a lighter purple, and then it's just like streaks all in between it. And my daughter said this reminds her of like the galaxy purple. So I did have to add a band into this unit. That is my only con about the unit, is that it is a little bit big on my head. I'm not sure what cap size they sent me, but I will make sure to find that out and leave it below in the description area. I'm pretty sure you can ask them to send you the correct size cap. So instead of gluing this down, I won't be gluing this down because it is a little bit big on my head. I'll just be tucking the ear tabs behind my ear, just because of the style that I'm wearing. You won't be able to see on that side anyway. This lace was very easy to work with. I did bleach the knots on this unit and the knots turned very well. You guys will see I'm tucking it behind my ears just to make it fit a little bit more secure, because I really did not want to have to cut into this hair, and the size won't be showing for the styles that I'll be doing. So now I'm just going to take my yellow Got To Be Freeze spray, and I'm just taking a comb, and for extra security, since this cap is a little bit big, I am just putting that right underneath the top lace, and I'm just pushing it in with the rat tail comb. Now I did not spray around my hairline just because this is going to be a soft hold, because honestly I'm not going to wear this hair all day because it's pretty heavy. But now I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Creator powder palette in the color light medium, and I'm going to go all around the hairline and into the parting space just to make sure everything blends in, because this lace does come off a little bit light. So you will have to either go in with powder or you will need to tint the lace, and I did not tint the lace this day. Now that I think about it, I should have, but the powder did help cover everything up. Now I'll just be taking a couple of hairs out of the front. Now it does state that this unit comes with baby hairs, but the baby hairs are very long, so you will have to go in and cut it down. But the pre-plucked hairline, as you guys can see, looks very nice, so you shouldn't have any problem working with the hairline. But like I said before, you will have to go in and trim those baby hairs down. I'll just be taking my yellow Got To Be gel, and I will be working a little bit of these baby hairs, and this is also going to help with some extra security. This will help adhere the unit down also, so that it doesn't move. And I'm just going to smooth those baby hairs. Now I'm not going to go too dramatic with it because I want a clean look, but I did want a little bit of hairs on the side. And then I will also just make sure to go deeper on the side part because I don't want any of that lace to show. And I did get a little bit of the spray around my hair, but I can clean that up with a wet towel. Just using my edge brush that you can purchase from Amazon just to swoop this over. And you guys know I like to hold my hair and then I'll kind of swoop it over, that way it can stay in place. Now I'm just going to go back in with the powder to clean everything up, especially on the sides, because we don't want it to look light over there. Now I'll be going in with my Care wax stick just to make sure everything looks really sleek. And I didn't notice a lot of short hairs or flyaways with this unit. Now I'll be going in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I want to put this on the hair just because you want it to look really healthy and have a nice shine, and you also want to help combat any frizziness. I didn't notice a lot of frizziness, but I definitely want to focus on the ends since I did wand curl this unit. And usually when I wand curl any of my hair, the ends can start coming off a little frizzy, depends on how tight the wand curl is. One thing I can say about this unit, it holds a curl. Like, it holds a curl. The curl stayed in this hair. They're still in this hair while I'm making this video. Like, the curls are not going to drop. I have not tried to curl it with a flat iron, but the wand curls on this hold. And they drop into like these really nice big curls after a couple of days, which I do love. So now I'm just going back in with that wax stick and also the powder, because I just had to keep working it out because, like I said, the lace does come off a little bit lighter. And then I am retouching up a little bit of the areas where I curled it, because I did curl this hair and then I let it set overnight. So some of the curls in the front did drop because I didn't curl those as tight. This is what the hairline and the parting space looks like. You do get a very good amount of parting space, and I did not pluck any hair out of the hairline or the parting space. It's not as deep, but it's still a very good amount, especially on the sides, and I will make sure to insert a clip of what it looks like as a side part. And the front of the hair is beautiful. It's very purple, and then like when I push it back, it's a little bit lavender. And look at this color. Like, look how the color came out. It came out really pretty, and this hair is very thick. I do suggest that if you do get this hair, you do not need 200%. You can go all the way up to 250, but I feel like this is a little bit too much hair, so I would highly suggest getting either 150 or 180. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I got a very small amount of shedding. Tangles, this hair is very soft. Like, this hair quality is very different from the bundles I received for them before. This one, I like this hair quality on this unit. This is what the unit looks like as a side part. It looks just as pretty. The parting space looks good, and I think it looks cute curled to the side also. Guys, let me know what you think about this unit, and let me know what you think about this color. Like I said, this was my first time and I had a lot of fun with it. I was literally shook at how you can just easily do this and not have to have like a bunch of mess by dyeing your hair using all that dye. This was just easy to do, and it was also easy to clean up. So I'll make sure to leave all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.